Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use order by clause in the select statement. We have here a practice. Write a query to display the employee ID, last name, department ID, and salary for employees in department 10, 40, 90. Then sort the output by the department ID in ascending order, then by the salary in ascending order, and the last thing, order by employee ID in descending order. So here I'm going to use Oracle SQL Developer to help us for writing our select statement. We can go here to the employees table and we want the employee ID. So we want the employee ID. Then click and hold the control button. We want the last name. So this is the last name. And we want the department ID and the salary. And then drag and drop here. Click apply. So this is our select statement, the employee ID, last name, department ID, and salary from table employees. Now we can edit this select statement. We want employees working on department 10, 40, and 90. So we can here edit this select statement where department underscore ID in 10, 40, and then 90. We can highlight the select statement and click run. So as we can see here, the output is not ordered. The output retained in random way. So we want to sort the data by using first here, sort the output by using the department ID in descending order. So we can use here order by the department ID first by using descending order. If you don't put descending, the default is ascending. So you have to put descending if you want to order the data by descending order. Then using the salary in ascending order. Here we can put the salary. The default is ascending, so you don't have to put ascending here. And last thing, using employee ID in descending order. So here we go. Highlight the select statement and click run. So as we can see, the output now order by at the first level using the department ID. So the high value comes first because using here descending. The output ordered at the first level by using the department ID in descending order. So the high value comes first. 90 comes before 40, comes before 10. If more than one record having the same department ID, so here we have 3 records having the same department ID. The second sorting level will be by using salary in this case. So these 3 records will be ordered by the salary in ascending order. So the low value comes first in this case. And if 2 employees, as in this case, having the same salary, the third sorting level will be by using employee ID in descending order. So the high value here comes first. So the first level using the department ID. If more than one employee having the same department ID, he will order these records by using the salary in ascending order. If 2 records having the same salary, it will sort the records by using the employee ID in descending order. So in this practice, we learned how to use order by clause in select statement. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.